So you've noticed your Ecovacs Deebot T9 isn't quite mopping? You tell yourself, hey, it's probably fine. I'll get to it later. But later can turn into a cleaning catastrophe. You see, when your T9 stubbornly refuses to mop, the culprit is often a faulty water tank with a broken vibrator. The vibrating water tank malfunction is a surprisingly common complaint we hear from Ecovacs Deebot T9 owners. That fancy vibrating mopping feature? Sometimes it just stops vibrating and releasing water. Ignoring this can lead to some pretty annoying consequences. You're basically stuck with half a robot. Plus, if the vibrator motor fails completely, it could potentially leak water inside the robot, causing even more damage to other components. Nobody wants that headache, right? So, you've tried refilling the tank, checking the settings, and maybe even whispering sweet nothings to your Deebot T9. But still, no water? That's where RoboCare steps in. At RoboCare, we specialize in bringing robot vacuums back to their full potential, and the Ecovacs Deebot T9 is one of our specialties. Our technicians have years of experience diagnosing and repairing these models, especially the common water tank or vibrator problem. We meticulously inspect the water tank, clean any debris, and if necessary, replace the faulty vibrator with a genuine replacement. We ensure proper alignment and sealing to prevent future leaks. Every Deebot receives comprehensive testing after repair to guarantee peak mopping performance. We don't just fix it, we optimize it. But don't just take our word for it. Let's move on to the proof. Look at that! Wow. RoboCare restores the Deebot mopping power. Sparkling clean floors, effortless cleaning. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I'm so incredibly grateful to RoboCare. They saved me from buying a new robot vacuum, and they made the whole process so easy and stress-free. I highly recommend RoboCare to anyone having problems with their robot vacuum, especially if you own an Ecovacs. Seriously, don't struggle with those DIY videos or buy a new vacuum. Just call RoboCare.
Don't let your Deebot T9 become a high-tech paperweight. Contact us today for expert service.